versus the Intel i7 10700K. Tech Titan back here. Today we are going to be going over the differences and similarities between. So obviously if you're going for the higher thread count, AMD and the Intel both make very good bets for gaming, as well as very good bets for overall handling and capability. Both the AMD and the Intel based processor do both come with 8 cores and 16 threads. AMD comes in at a 3.8 gigahertz processing base with a overclocking that to 4.7 gigahertz. Starting price of this processor is at $450 USD. The Intel starting gigahertz is the same 3.8. However, it can overclock at 5.1. Intel's starting price is $380 USD. TDP of the AMD is 105, whereas the TDP of the Intel is 125. What is TDP? TDP is the amount of power consumption the computer component uses. Where Intel clocks in at 125 watts, AMD chips in at 105. Intel's user benchmark scores in at 98.2%, whereas AMD's user benchmark score is at 99.8%. Intel's chip is roughly 8 months old, whereas AMD's chip is only 2 months old. Personally, I feel that AMD is the much better processor. However, between its $70 price comparison, which is quite a big jump for very similar stats on the Intel, I cannot justify going up to the price for the AMD. Thanks again for coming to my channel, guys. We are going to be posting a ton more content, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that like button below. If you guys have any questions related to what we just talked about, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Also, feel free to check out my website at techtitan.com. Thanks again for coming, guys.